Hello guys, right now we'll try to how to calculate consumer price index. Actually, the consumer price index usually calculated by the Bureau of Labor Statistics and the inflation rate. Actually, they use the data on the price of thousand goods and the services to see exactly how the statistics are contracted actually. But right now we'll use two products. Actually, the 4 hot dogs and the 2 hamburgers we'll use, and it will give a small amount of the prices as you have seen. Okay, there's a 5 steps in order to calculate this measurement. Okay, the first step is a survey consumer to determine the affected basket of the goods. Okay, the baskets equals to 4 hot dogs and 2 hamburgers. And then step 2, okay, find the price of each goods in each year. Actually, there's given the 3 years, 2005, 2006, 2007, and the price is different. So, price of hot dogs, the 2005 is the price is $1, $2, 2006, $3, 2007. And the price of hamburgers, I have seen $2, $3, $4 for each year. Okay. Step 3. There's actually given the 3 years, 2005. Actually, the compute the cost of the basket of the goods in each year. Okay. 4 hot dogs is the price is per hot dog. For each hot dog is the $1, and it is multiplied, and the $2 per hot dogs. Hamburgers, and multiplied by 2 hamburgers. So result is the $8. Okay. The next is a $2 per hot dogs. Okay, the 4 hot dogs, and a $3 per hamburgers, and they're the 2 hamburgers multiplied. There's also multiplied, and the plus. Okay, the result is a $14. Result is the $14. Okay, per basket. Okay, how about the 2007? The dollars, $3 per hot dogs, and the four hot dogs multiplied, and $4 per hamburgers, and multiplied 2 hamburgers and the plus. So the result is the $20 per basket. So step 4, choose a 1 year as a base year, 2005, and calculate the consumer price index in each year. Okay, we need to right now to calculate for each year by using as a base year as a 2005. Okay, how can you use? Okay, there's a $8 comes from the step 3, the $8 2005, the results, and the $8 because we need to use the base year. The first we need to use the base year to calculate the first 2005, and then it's divided $8 itself $8, and multiplied $100, and the result 100 as you have seen in 2006 is the $14 comes from the in 2006. Okay, the result is $14, and the base year is $8 divided and multiplied $100, result 175. Okay, 2007. Okay, the $20 comes from the 2007, the result, and the base year is the price is the $8 multiplied and $100, and the result $250. Okay, this is the step 4. How about step 5? Step 5 is the use the consumer price index, because we have already calculated the consumer price index. As you have seen, as I have mentioned that we use the consumer price index in order to measure the inflation rate, right? So use the consumer price index in order to calculate the inflation rate from the previous year. Okay. So 2006, 2007, there are 2 years. Okay. 175 comes from the 2006, right? So minus 100 and divided 100, multiplied 100, and then the inflation rate 75%, percentage. Okay, 2007. So the result is the $250 comes from the 2007. There's the consumer price index. We're using it in order to compute inflation rate. Okay, the minus is the result. Is a result of 2006, comes directly from there, and divided again the same numbers, that 175 and multiplied $100 equals to 43%. This is the calculation of the inflation rate by using the consumer price index. Okay, there's two formula. We need to know that. Okay, so the first is the consumer price index. Consumer price index, okay, equals price of baskets of goods and services divided price of basket in base year. So, and multiplied by 100. This is the formula of consumer price index. So the next formula is the inflation rate. Okay, inflation rate in year 2. Okay, consumer price index in year 2 and minus CPI, consumer price index in year 1. As I mentioned, that there's 2 years in order to calculate the inflation rate, right? So inflation rate equals the CPI in year 2 and minus CPI year 1. So, and divided CPI in year 1. Okay, so multiplies 100. This is the formula. This is both of the inflation rate and the consumer price index. Okay, guys.